Why does your AI treat your store like it is seeing it for the first time and still wait for you to start every task manually? You repeat the same details: what you sell, which markets you target, and which warehouses you prefer. Then you restart sourcing, market analysis, and listing tasks by hand. But what if your AI could remember your business and keep those tasks moving on schedule? That is what the latest Doba Pilot update is designed to do. Meet scheduled tasks, your new way to automate daily sourcing and analysis with zero effort. Open the scheduled section, choose a template or click create, then follow the on-screen steps to set the task and schedule. You can ask Pilot to source new products regularly, generate market insight reports, or handle listing tasks according to your plan. Once the task is set up, Pilot can run it automatically. You can also review its frequency, next runtime, and current status. Instead of starting the same workflow again and again, you set it once and let Pilot keep it moving. But automation only works if your AI actually knows what you want. That's why we've added long-term memory. It retains your store context, product preferences, and past interactions. For example, if you sell home products through Shopify, prefer US warehouses, and care about faster delivery, Pilot can carry that context into future recommendations. The product recommendation logic has also been improved, helping Pilot surface better match products and reduce unnecessary filtering. And when Pilot finds those perfect products, you won't lose track of them. Everything, from sourcing results to market reports, is automatically saved in your library, so you can easily review, continue, or reuse them anytime. Need to explore what else Pilot can do? The new Skills Hub centralizes all of Pilot's capabilities, while the user guide keeps you on track with step-by-step workflows. Create your first scheduled task, reduce repetitive work, and spend more time focusing on product decisions, serving customers, and growing your store. Try Doba Pilot today and start working smarter.